Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch this feature here. You can also change its name here. You can set it to hide your device. You can select security protocol here, select this one if you want to have password, select none if you don't want to have password on your network. In advanced, you can change its password here. You can set it to turn off automatically if no one is connected. You can change its AP band, and you can change your address here. And you can also switch portable hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.